Hey guys, welcome back to Ducky Garage. So today we have another project. So we're gonna be installing Angel Eye, color Angel Eye, with a phone app that you can change the color for the Angel Eye. So you know how the Beamer that there's this ring, some people call it the Angel Eye or whatever you want to call it. They have a LED bulb that I order, a kit. So this is the kit, and this is the module with different color, right? You can you link it to a phone app, change any color you want at any time, at any given moment. So it's gonna be pretty cool, you know. So yeah, our friend Ben, he wanna have the option to change any color he wants because he kind of like blue, and I told him your blue is kind of really good to drive around. So you know, why don't we just get a kit that you can change color anytime you want, you know, so he don't get in trouble with the law. All right, let's continue. So I think, you know, this installation is kind of like a pain in the butt because you have to remove the whole bumper just to get to the headlight because the module is underneath the headlight. So I'm still removing the bumper. Yeah. Hey guys, update. So do yourself a favor and remove the wheel. It makes your life much easier removing the headlight because there's a bolt in back here. It's behind that bolt right there, you see it? Yeah, so it's behind this fender liner. I was struggling for a while and I was like, you know what? It's not worth it, you know? I stick my hand this fender liner and work behind here, and yeah, I got a lot of cut in my hand right now. And it's not worth it. So, you know, just remove this wheel and remove the fender liner, half bolt. Remove some of the bolts. You can pull the fender liner, push the fender liner back, and able to remove that last bolt for the headlight. Alright guys, that was not fun at all, but we finally got the headlight out, and now we gotta swap the module, right? So this is underneath the headlamp. This is the module that we need to swap out. So the stock one is like a white color LED, so we're gonna swap this out right now. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass. So this is the two bolt that we need to take to remove the headlight from the car, and this last bolt is the one that is like pain in the booty. So you gotta remove the fender liner just to get to that bolt, and remove the wheel too, so you have more clearance. Yeah, but we finally got it out, and time to swap the module. So all this thing came in this metal box. So they have two LED module for left and right. They have I think a fuse or whatever the thing called, extension cord to connect the left to the right module, and this is the harness that go into your factory harness, and they have a fuse right here for sure. Yeah, so okay, so this end gonna be connecting to the factory harness, and this other end gonna go into your headlight. This is the wire for the LED module, or whatever you want to call that thing. So it's really hard to get it wrong because all the clip is only one way in or color coded. So you see how this small one only fit to this clip, right? So clip that one in here, and remember I told you about this wire. It connects the left and the right LED module together. So let's clip this together right here. And this one go on to this other end. I'm sorry, I try to record while doing this with one hand, so it's a little bit tricky. Like that. So there you have it. So this is going to be on the passenger side, this is going to be in the driver, and this one going to the headlamp, and this one going to the harness that go into the car. Alright, let me put this together, and I'll record more for you guys. Alright guys, so in back of this module, there's also a clip, right? So it's mounted like this. So after you remove this 2 bolt, they also have a wire harness clip right here. I remember to plug it back in before reinstall everything. So you see this plastic tube right here, this clear tube, that is where the LED light right here reflect into that tube, and that's how your whole NJY out here it glow. So check if it's burned away or anything, because a lot of older high mileage BMW, this LED light, it create heat, right, and it burn that and make it yellow, and it make your headlight yellowish, and it's not as white as new or stock. So make sure it's clean. In this case, this thing look pretty clean and clear, no yellow or burn on it. So let's continue. So this is the aftermarket one. So you see that LED, so that is called RBG, stand for red, blue and green or something like that. Yeah, but with those combination of 3 color can make any color, right? So you see how there's 2 LED right here, it line up with that that 2 plastic port right there that reflect the light into the NJY. All right, let's connect this this harness together and put it back. All right, so see, I connect the harness, and so so don't forget, inside this kit they come with this rubber O-ring, right? Don't forget to put it around this this metal thing right here to seal it from water coming in. So if you look at your factory one, right, see there's a gasket right here, see, it's sealed from letting water leak in or fog up your headlamp. So for this, to install this O-ring, so this is the factory one and this aftermarket, right? To install this O-ring around here, you can't don't stretch it out over this thing, because you're gonna make this thing very stressed and loose, right? So the best way to do it is go into this wire right here. You don't stretch it, just a little bit over this little box module or whatever you want to call this thing, right? And come back down over here and just flex it a little bit around this thing, right? See? Make sure it sits nice and flat. Make sure it's not the gasket or the O-ring is not twisted. See, nice and flat. Because if it's twisted or not sitting flat, it can create a leak, right? So water can leak in there and cause the headlight to have concentration in there, water, and fog up the inside lens of the headlight. Okay, let's put it back. Guys, so we got the second headlamp mount, the one in the passenger side. Now I'm gonna take out this module out, or this LED light out, and do the same thing to that one. So a minute ago when I installed this, right, I was concerning that this wire gonna get pinched right here, and I was reading online and watching a couple of video. This wire is meant to be pinched, so don't worry, but still be careful. Make sure you clear this bolt, tighten it down, clear this bolt, and let it sit flat on here. Don't make sure it's not twisted or pinched in an awkward way. Make sure it sit flat, coming out from come off on the side right here. See how it's flat, not pinch it or twist or whatever, so it don't create a leak, so water can't leak in here or whatever. Do the same thing to this side, and we connect it and put everything back, and download the app and we can program it or whatever to do any color we want. Okay, so we're back over here. So I got both of the headlight LED in and stuff. So back to the main harness that go plug into the car, right? So we're gonna so the one from the car is called female because they have, you know, like hole, and this is called male because they have this pin sticking out, right? And if you look at it, the top part, they have a total of 5 pin, and the bottom part they have multiple small pin, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pin in the bottom, and there's a 5 pin on top. All you need to do is just slide this in. Just like that. Yep, season. And this one will go to the headlight. And let me bring the headlight over so you can show it to you. So I got the driver's side headlight right here. So this harness end going to the car. This other end be going to the headlight where we unplug that harness from. So pretty much instead of plugging that harness straight into the headlight, we bridge it with this thing. So same thing. There's the small plug in the bottom and big plug. So the big hole right here. You line up with it like that. Make sure when you push it in, make sure they have a clicking sound, and make sure it's tight so it don't come loose. Okay, now within this harness, right, they have a fuse right here that pretty much they already hack into it from the kit. It's a power line, right? The fuse right here that go into this transformer or this module or box or whatever. So you plug this plug in that. This other wire is the one that gonna connect to the passenger side headlight. That. And I'm gonna leave it hanging over here for now. We're gonna connect it to the driver's passenger side once we get this driver's side situated. Okay, so we double checking before we put it back. Look at this, pretty cool, huh? You can adjust in the phone app any light you want, but right now it's in demo mode, so that's why it's blinking multiple light right now. Pretty cool. So this is the app that we're gonna download to use the LED light to control the color. Yeah, so see, look, you can change from blue, green, yellow, red. It's pretty interesting. Or you can change to mode. See what kind of mode they have. Oh, so it's a preset color already. So it can blink red, blink purple, pink, blink blue, or I can breathe. So it's like brighter, then it go dim. Or we can go stroke, right? Stroke light. They have a lot of different cool modes here. Let's be a police. Blue. What is this? Let's see this mode. Oh, this is like color changing from different color, like green, violet, whatever. What is cool? Colorful jump. 6 color. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, guys, there you have it. It's a little bit took a while to remove the bumper and put it back in, but we managed to get it back in, and I think it's pretty cool. All right, guys, there we have it. It looks so damn cool. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? What you gotta think? The easy mod. I mean, like it's affordable mod, cheap affordable mod, but it's very time consuming because you have to remove the whole bumper to install the LED module and everything underneath the headlight. Look at that. Alright, thanks a lot for watching the video, guys. Bye bye.